Tutorial number 2. So in this tutorial number 2, I will teach my student on the data process and how actually we can use the function of transformation, or we can recode for the certain items or cases based on our questionnaire. And for our questionnaire, we have the demographic profile, and normally we have the system will automate, the SPSS will automate with the string, and then we need to change for a numeric, so we can do this recode. So this automatic recode, we have to select and then give a new name. For example, I will put here age level, and then you just click OK, and SPSS will run and then automate. We can get a new numbers. We got a new cases and also a new score for this age level, and we can double check. Based on that value. We can click and then we can identify number 1 for each level, 70 to 19. So we move to the next exercise, so we can do for another record process, but this one I choose record into different variable. We can for example, for age, so I select the age for DE2, and then I give a new names, and also with that new label, I put chain, click the chain, and I have to choose the old values and new value. For old value, I must refer to my questionnaire. So the question at my questionnaire, the first box or the first value was related to male, and then I give the with the new value number 1, and also for next one female, I give number 2, and click continue, and the SPSS will run, and automated we get a new case for gender, or column, new column for gender. And then we must go to value, and then we have to add for this value that we have to define again value 1 male, and we put for number 2, value number 2 for female. So the next step is we have to check on reliability, and for this reliability we can go for click for analysis, and then go on scale and reliability analysis, and then we have to choose all the item for each variable for our IV and also our DV. So here we can click for descriptive for item scale, and scale if item deleted. Alright, and then we can see we can get the result, and then we can double check on Cronbach alpha if item deleted. We can check either we can remove if we deleted one item, that the score for Cronbach alpha will be increased. They give the values for each item if deleted, and we must do for every independent variable and as well for our dependent variable. So we must do one by one. Again, we do a same process for the next variable, and then we have to check on the Cronbach alpha score, and also Cronbach alpha if item deleted. And also the last one, we can check for our DV, dependent variable. We choose all the item, and then we move to the item, and then we click all descriptive for item, scale, and scale if item deleted, and then we can get the score. And we must ensure that our Cronbach alpha, they must above than 0.6.